So if you want to stop contacts from finding you on TikTok, here's the quick video for that. Hi guys, I'm using the TikTok application on Android. So if you're using the iOS, please search on my profile or you can search on my YouTube. আরে আউলাই ফেলাইছি ধর তোমার হাই গাইজ বলছি যে ওটা বাদ দিয়ে দিও ঠিক আছে সো আবার বলি So let me just mention you that I'm using my TikTok application into Android. So if you're using iOS, please kindly check out my other video on Android. Check out my other video on iOS. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the settings and simply search for the apps. Like that, you can search for the apps, and now from here you need to tap on the apps, or you can either go with the manage apps. So let me just go with the apps, and then from here you need to go with the manage apps. Now into the search bar you need to search for the TikTok, and there you go. So if you don't find these options, then you can simply find out your TikTok application into the app drawer and simply long press it, and you will probably find the app info. So select the app info, and then from here you need to go with the app permissions. Alright, then scroll it down and you will get the contacts option. So select the contacts and simply select the don't allow option. So that's how you can simply stop TikTok from accessing contacts. Alright, then you can simply close all of these and you are good to go. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time. ভাই রে ভাই তোমার হচ্ছে হইলো কি কয় ইফতার কইরা পড়ছি তো মাথা নষ্ট হয়ে গেছে পুরা